Hi all, welcome to the course Big Data Analytics. In this video, we will see glimpse of Apache Spark technology. Apache Spark is a fast and general purpose cluster computing system that is designed for big data processing. It provides an efficient and flexible platform for running various types of workloads, which includes batch processing, real-time processing, machine learning, and graph processing. Spark is based on a distributed computing model that allows it to process large data sets across a cluster of machines. It is built on top of the Hadoop distributed file system, which provides a scalable and fault tolerant storage layer for big data. One of the key features of Spark is its ability to cache data in memory, which can significantly speed up processing times. Spark also provides a unified API for various types of workloads, which simplifies development and makes it easier to build complex data processing pipelines. Another important feature of Spark is its support for various programming languages, including Scala, Python, and Java, among others. This makes it easy for developers to use the language they are most familiar with to write Spark applications. Spark's real-time processing capabilities are provided by the Spark streaming module, which allows for the processing of real-time data streams. This module also provides support for various streaming data sources, including Kafka, Flume, and Twitter, among others. Spark's machine learning capabilities are provided by the Spark mlib machine learning library, which provides various machine learning algorithms for performing classification, regression, clustering, and collaborative filtering, among others. The library also provides support for feature extraction, transformation, and selection, as well as model evaluation and tuning. Overall, Spark is a powerful and versatile platform for big data processing with support for various types of workloads and performing various programming language tasks. Its ability to cache data in memory and its support for real-time processing and machine learning make it an attractive choice for many data intensive applications. Hope this video is useful. Stay tuned for latest updates.